Hi, welcome to our podcast. This is Dr. Duchiene. I work at Elegant Aesthetic Solutions. It's a med spa. Traditionally, I'm trained as a general laparoscopic and weight loss surgeon. That is, I do general surgery, and I specialize in what's called minimally invasive surgery. And then I started doing weight loss for about 15 years. Hi, this is Dr. Duchene, welcoming you to Elegant Aesthetic Solution Med Spa. Today, our topic, we're going to be talking about massages. A massage is the netting or manipulation of muscles and joints of the body to relieve tension, pain, or to help in terms of recovering therapy. The purpose of the massage, again, is also general treatment of body stress, as our lives, especially in industrialized countries and in all countries, tend to have certain levels of stress. And the massage, the touching of the body, has a healing um, effect. And depending also of what your country of origin is, different massages carry different names. Like if you're from Thailand, there's a Thai massage. There's a Swedish massage. At least 10 different. There's a sports massage, a trigger point massage, a shiatsu massage. We're gonna get into all these type of modalities. Uh, who gets a massage? As we said, it's individuals who are stressed, who have pain, who are sore from. Also, sometimes a massage is to rejuvenate, and depending again on your daily activities. So people use massages for different reasons. Now, how often should you get a massage? Well, that's a very individual thing. Some, depending, of course, on your budget, income, and location and stress level, some individuals get massages once a month. Some people once a year, mainly when they go on vacation. Some other individuals once a day, believe it or not, and they start the day off with a massage. In others, after they exercise, which may be rigorous or not, they go and get a massage from the masseuse therapist. Now, the frequency again varies depending on the reason for which you're getting a massage. Is it stress? Is it health related? Is it recovery from a particular um, ailment? And depending also, massage may include other things like aromatherapy, cupping, and so on and so forth. So again, we get massage for different reasons. The frequency with which we do massage is different based on needs and individual. And now, where do people most often get massages? For example, for men, massage is usually the entryway into the med spa business. In other words, the med spa industry. It's been said about 64% of men, the majority of men, that is, have had one massage in the last 12 months, and usually use the massage to go to the services of a med spa. And from then, about 25% of those individuals get other med spa services, whether it's aesthetics, body contouring, so on and so forth. But massage is usually, again, how men enter the med spa space. Now, how much does a massage typically cost? Well, various factors will influence the price of a massage. First, it has to do with the length of time. Massage could be a 30-minute massage, a 45-minute massage, a 90-minute massage, and a 120-minute massage. Depending on how long the massage will determine, this is the first determinant of how much a massage costs. And also, again, that's determined by how tired you are, how you feel. Now, secondarily, the location. If you're in the middle of Mississippi in the rural area versus the middle of Manhattan, the cost will not be the same. That is, a geographical location will be different. That will affect the price. And even let's say if you within Manhattan, the location within Manhattan, if you're at the Ritz Carlton getting a massage, or if you're at another place, let's say Super 8, getting a massage. Well, both of these hotels, their entry price point is very different, and the substances that they use for the massage is very different. That's going to influence your price. And usually, can the massage can range from, again, depending where you are, anything from $30 for 30 minutes to $400, $500. Now, it all also depends on the spa experience that's also associated with this massage. When you go to fancy places like the Ritz, you might have to make an appointment and you book them for an hour or so. And when you come in, there's usually a whole experience that's very different. These also will influence the process of the massage. From the time you walk in, let's say at a very fancy spa, they receive you with champagne or seltzer water, uh, the pricey type, whether it's Perrier or Aquapana. And then, oh, they give you a glass of champagne. Then you have to go to the dressing room, undress, put a robe, and then your masseuse will come and get you and take you to the massage room. Now, in the massage room, depending on which oils that you use and depending on which massage that you're getting, will influence, all these things will influence the price. Now, if you have a student masseuse, they may charge you $50 an hour. If you have masseuse that has gone to school and has trained for a long number of years, that will also increase the price. And if the masseuse is very busy and is very, very effective, where there's not enough of her to go around, of course that will increase your price. But anyway, as you walk into the space for the massage, the garments that you wear, the cloth, the bathrobe, all that will influence the price. And then the oils that they use. Certain oils are, again, very, very expensive, and certain are not, depending on where they get the oils from. And sometimes certain scented oils are influence the price. And also, sometimes when you walk into the room, there is an aroma that is some masseuse use aroma that is to make the air feel scented, because again, scent is the memory that you remember the most. Usually, when, let's say, if we relate it to food, we know how it is when mom is cooking bacon in the morning and then it wafts up, we smell that. So scent is a very powerful thing that imprints in our mind. So aromatherapy in massages is very, very important and also helps to increase the price. Now, let's go into the different types of massages. The classic massage, which is the most popular, is called the Swedish massage. It involves long strokes of the muscle. It involves netting, and also the pressure may vary. And a lot of people use that for help relax and energize the body. And again, depending on how long. Also, I forgot to mention one thing that also will influence the price. You're gonna just have a back massage, a facial massage, a foot massage, a hand massage, or the entire body massage. All these things will influence the price, and that's very, very important um, in terms of determining how much the experience will pay or will cost. Now, we talked about Swedish massage. Other types of massages, especially deep tissue massage. Deep tissue massage focuses on the deeper layers of muscle. It's treated to release chronic muscle tension. Depending on kind of work that you do, for example, if you're a construction worker that uses jackhammer all the time, you're always vibrating, chances are you'll probably have some tension. And the deep tissue massage aim is to relieve that. And they can use certain oils also that are better at relieving such tension. Maybe depending on the individual preference, maybe fragrant or not fragrant. Then there's the sports massage. People who are involved in sports, particular athletes, for example, boxers, football players, sports where there's a lot of trauma or going to have injuries. It combines the technique of the Swedish massage and deep tissue. And I mean, we've all seen injured athletes, and sometimes we see it also while we're watching a basketball game. Somebody um, either fell hard or pulled something. You'll notice the trainer come out with some kind of gizmo that's basically pulsating, giving a deep tissue massage to that individual. So the sports massage is the third type of massage that also we can offer in the spa at our spa, Elegant Aesthetic Solution in Chatham. We offer all these type of massages that we refer or referring to here. So we talked about Swedish, deep tissue, and sports. The fourth type of massage that's also very popular is a trigger point. Sometime as we go through our daily activities, we got these little trigger points, which are these sharp twinges of muscular pain that seems to associate with a little tightness, and it's usually a bunch of tight muscle fibers that are unable to relax properly and causes discomfort and tension in the muscle. So the trigger point massage involves a mixture of also deep and superficial uh, type of manipulation and netting to relieve that point of tension and um, tightness. So that's massage number four. The fifth type of massage is called a shiatsu massage. Shiatsu massage originally came from Japan. It means finger point. And that's when the masseuse uses the fingertips to gently go over the body to net and manipulate the muscles. So it can cause a sense of relaxation and a sense of calmness. And basically, it also uses, as we said, the fingertips, the fingers, thumbs, and palms. And it's supposed to help restore the energy flow to the body using particular technique common to Japanese masseuse, and then they help with the energy flow of the body. So the shiatsu massage also is very popular. It's also very good for stress relief or tension relief. And then there's the Thai massage. The Thai massage is again, of course, from Thailand. It's more energizing and more rigorous than the classic form of massage. It involves the therapist using hands, knees, legs, and feet to move you into a series of yoga like stretches. Again, hands, legs, and feet to move into yoga like stretches. That's the Thai massage. Whereas the shiatsu massage is of a Japanese origin, is more fingertips, thumbs, palm, and it has to do with energy flow. So these are again the different type of massages that are commonly available in most massage spa or med spa. And we've talked about the Swedish, the deep tissue, the sports, the trigger point, the shiatsu, thigh. And now the next massage is the hot stone massage. During this massage, hot heated stone, not hot, warm heated stones are placed on specific points on the body. The heat can be, deeply relaxing and help warm tight muscles so the therapist can work more deeply and quickly. Hot stone massage are very, very popular, especially during the cold months. The release of the heat into the sore muscles is very, very calming. And depending on the client's needs, the masseuse can use alternating forms of deep or superficial netting of the muscles and joints. Now, the next type of massage is the reflexology massage. It involves applying specific pressure points on the feet and hands or ears. It is based on the belief that these body parts are connected to certain organs and body systems. And again, having seen a couple of reflexology massages, the of course these also can be coupled with aromatherapy and so on. And they would use the knuckles and palpate different areas of your feet, hands, or ears to basically elicit certain sensation of relief or de-stress. That's reflexology, and that's often used in rehab therapy um, when individuals have particular issues in terms of rehabbing from a particular injury or um, state of being. Now, other massages that are also popular, especially in our med spa, is the lymphatic massage. The purpose of the lymphatic massage is to help drain or really help detox the impurities from the tissues in our body. Most likely, we're talking about skin and muscles. And these massages, we it's usually recommended after body contouring surgery, and also really after any type of surgery, because as we know, surgery causes injury to the body, and this injury causes toxins to be produced. That is, as the body starts to repair itself from the wound caused by surgery, these toxins tend to accumulate in different parts, different tissues of the body. Toxins, certain things like potassium, urea, and so on. Breakdown of what we call metabolism. These things accumulate in different parts of the body, and also, again, just a reminder, the body has two circulatory systems. There's the blood circulation and there's the lymphatic circulation. The lymphatic circulation is all that fluid. When the fluid leaks out of the bloodstream, it goes into the tissues. What we call interstitial fluid is called lymph. Now, after surgery, sometimes surgery interrupts those vessels, the lymphatic vessels, and the lymph, that fluid can pool and accumulate in that area, and it has to be gently massaged back so that it can take other pathways, so it can go back into the circulation. That is the main lymph ducts for lymphatic massage. That is, when we're doing a lymphatic massage, um, the masseuse uses superficial pressure of the hand and muscle to direct the lymph towards the lymph nodes. For example, if someone had a body contouring procedure, that is fun sculpting, where you remove some of the fat under liposuction technique around the belly. Well, the belly usually is drained by the ganglion under the armpits and in the groin. So the masseuse will direct that lymph to the lymph nodes in the groin and to the armpit. That's both on the back side and the front side. And the way the body is structured, also, the entire body drains in what's the what we call the left thoracic duct. The duct is the basically the conduit from the lymph that empties into the left side of the neck of in the body, and that's three-quarters of the body. The upper right uh, and the upper right quarter of the body drains into the right side, the right subclave, the right part of the body above the heart. So um, the job of the lymphatic masseuse is to help to decrease the accumulation of fluid after surgery, to reorient that lymph and those toxins towards getting back to the bloodstream so that the kidneys can filter them out, and also the person can feel better. And usually, depending on the surgery, it's usually required, most people require at least for once a week, and sometime more often, depending on how much fluid or how much lymph has accumulated. But for example, after body contouring, once a week for at least 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the degree of injury. And usually, right after that massage, the client usually feels much better. Let's say after a body contour procedure, the person has to also wear a girdle, a tight fitting girdle. The Spanish word is faja, and this tight fitting girdle tries to squeeze the lymph out, but sometimes it does in such a way that the lymphatic massage definitely makes a difference, definitely helps. So, and that massage tends to be more of a therapeutic um, element than the other one. So, to recap, massages are basically therapeutic modalities that people use to feel better in terms of stress relief, in terms of pain release, in terms of rehabilitation. Now, who gets a massage depends on your budget and depends on your belief. Uh, Most men use massages to help them relax, to help relieve pains and ache. And that's the services most commonly used by men in med spas. Women use massages too. And one interesting thing is, for most part, men really have no preference in terms of who gives them the massages, men or women. Whereas women tend to prefer ladies like themselves or females to give them massages. Um, so that's sort of unexpected. You would think that men would prefer women most of the time, but overall, the latest studies that was presented at ISPA shows men have no preference, whereas women have more tendency to prefer them being given a massage by a woman versus a man. So, as we said, who gets a massage depends on the need, and the cost of a massage depends on many factors. Location, that is Manhattan versus rural Arkansas. Uh, Experience of the masseuse, that is student versus um, masseuse, or that has many years of experience, and how busy the masseuse is. The time of the massage, anything from 30 minutes, 45, 90, 60 minutes will reflect. And also the extras associated with massage. That is, some people prefer aromatherapy, some people prefer special oils, and the whole experience associated with it. That is, if you go to a Ritz Carlton for a massage versus if you go to a Super 8, the whole ambiance will be different, and all that will influence the price of a massage. So it's, as we said, it's location, experience of a masseuse, and experience within the massage therapist, and time. All these things would influence the price of a massage. Most people who indulge in the massage will differ in terms of how often they get it. Some people get it once a week, some people get it every day, some people once a month, and some every quarter, some once a year. Again, most men once a year when they go on vacation. People who are undergoing rehab, they may get it once a week. And as we said, people who have had lymphatic massages, uh, which is again after a procedure to detox, can also get that once a week for a particular period of time. Now, when you're buying, one thing I neglected to mention, when getting a massage from a med spa, it's usually much better to buy it in packages. That is, instead of buying a single session, which the price is usually is set, you should buy packages. That is anything from three, four, or get a membership. That's even better. And a membership reduces the price of a massage by up to 30%. And you could get your massage, depending on the membership, once a month, once a week, or depending, again, your budget and how often you want it. So when going to a med spa or massage spa, it's much better to figure your budget and also how often, that is, get a membership versus getting a single session. And usually, also, if you recommend other individuals to get massages at your spa, usually you will get discounts also. So, again, very important that need to mention. Now, we talked about the different types of massages. We talked about Swedish massage, a deep tissue massage, sports massage, trigger point massage, shiatsu massage, Thai massage, reflexology massage, and hot stone massage. Now, uh, aromatherapy is a surplus, just as cupping. Also mentioned lymphatic massage. These are different things that we can add to massages. Also, we mentioned the hot stone massage. All these are, again, different modalities that people use to help them fight stress, tension, heal from whatever injury that they may suffer, and support tissue massage. All right. Again, this is Dr. Duchene, who's discussing with you guys today. The topic is massage. Please come to our spa and get to know us and our massage therapist. Uh, we can design a program specifically for you, a customized program based on your needs and our perception of what we think would do best with you. Thank you. Until next time, this is Dr. Duchene saying goodbye.